Okay, Toyota Camry 2011 version. Installed for Convex Motion Master. WinCE DVD player. DVD slot. SD card. It's got a USB slot 3 USB extension put in a drawer. A radio, steering control, search, okay, back, SD card, DVD, USB, steering, volume up and down, back, home. Okay, Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. It's got a mic input here. You can answer call or click for the Bluetooth music. Phone sharing music to car player. Aux video input and video output. You can connect to the roof monitor or headrest monitor. Setup. Select time. Backlight. Daytime and nighttime. Steering control setting. So this player got a RCA camera input. You connect to the Cogoo reverse camera. It's got a fixed line. Back to normal. So this is Convex Motion Master. Motion Master CM9100 6.95 inch DVD WinCE DVD player with USB and XD card, Bluetooth, touchscreen. Okay, you have to change a special OEM casing for Toyota Camry, 6.95 inch Toyota Universal. From left to right is 20 cm. From top to bottom is 10 cm. OEM socket plug and play. Socket plug and play for power and socket plug and play for radio antenna. Okay, off engine. Store open, close, and lock. Side mirror auto folding for Toyota. Unlock. Start engine. Auto on. Lock. It's got a door harness warning light for Toyota car. Lock. Okay, installed by 1bis. Video by Andy. Thank you.